Conditions apply while stocks last. VAT at 20%.
Talk Sport News.
With headlines at 11:30, I'm Tom Clayton. Good morning. Reform UK is asking the police to investigate illegal family voting in the Gorton and Denton by-election. They finished second behind the Greens. His party chairman David Bull speaking to Talk.
We heard from independent arbiters of voter irregularity, and I'm being kind at that, where you've got a husband and wife going into a polling booth together. That's illegal.
Meanwhile, Reform's candidate partly blamed Islamists for his defeat. This is the Prime Minister, Sir Keir Starmer, admits defeat is very disappointing, but says he'll keep fighting.
I do understand that voters are frustrated, they're impatient for change.
His former deputy
I know.
Angela Rayner says the Labour Party
Is everything all right?
So night of jubilation for the Greens leader
Well,
Zach Palazzo
as long as nobody's
says
hurt,
it
that's the main
shows
thing.
growing
As long as
momentum.
nobody's hurt, that's the main thing.
Party's 127th target seat. What that says is there's now no longer any no-go areas for the Green Party.
Okay.
This morning, a man's
Thanks a lot, mate.
after the statue of Sir Winston Churchill outside Parliament was defaced. It's been cordoned off after being painted with slogans including "Stop the Genocide" and "Free Palestine." And